In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Square and WooCommerce using QuickSync. We'll walk through the full setup process together so you can get your stores connected properly and make sure your products, inventory, and orders stay in sync. The goal here is to set everything up carefully the first time so you can avoid common issues later and feel confident that both platforms are communicating correctly. First, create your QuickSync account. During this part of the setup, just follow the sign-up process and enter the required business details. Make sure you're using the correct account you plan to manage long-term, since this will become the main place where your sync settings are controlled. Once your account is ready, open the QuickSync dashboard. This is where you'll connect both platforms and manage what information gets shared between them. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout so the next steps feel easier. Next, add your Square store. QuickSync will prompt you to sign in to Square and approve access. When you do this, make sure you allow access to products, inventory, locations, and orders, since those permissions are necessary for a complete connection. Without the correct approvals, some parts of the sync may not work as expected. After Square is connected, add your WooCommerce store. You'll need to enter your WooCommerce website URL and then authorize QuickSync so it can access your store data. Be careful to enter the correct website address, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. Once both stores are connected, choose the products and information you want to synchronize. This is an important step because it determines exactly what QuickSync will transfer between platforms. Depending on your setup, you may want to sync only certain product details or include a broader range of information. Then enable inventory synchronization. This allows stock levels to stay updated across both platforms, which helps reduce overselling and keeps your product availability accurate. Next, enable product synchronization. This is what keeps product information aligned between Square and WooCommerce, so updates remain consistent. If you also want orders to move between systems, enable order synchronization when needed. This is especially useful if you want both platforms to reflect recent sales activity. After that, choose the main store for product information. This setting tells QuickSync which platform should act as the source of truth for your product data, so choose the one you update most often. Now you're ready to start syncing. Once the sync begins, give it a little time to process, especially if you have a larger catalog. Finally, test everything by making an inventory change or placing an order, then confirm that the update appears correctly on both platforms. This final check helps you verify that your connection is working exactly as intended.